Hello there, so we're going to have a look at the Have Adventures UMA for Guides called Biodiversity Blitz. This is a nice and easy one to do while you're at home, and also it's quite easy to do in the meeting place. You just need to be able to count and tie a knot. So we're going to run through how it works, but the first thing you need to do is you need to be able to make a quadrat. That is, I think we're going to do this using square lashing. If you are not sure about what square lashing is, I suggest you check out one of my other instruction videos and use that to get you to tie them up. On the picture there you see it's this square that you use for doing surveying, and this is commonly used by lots of environmental scientists and biologists. And you need 4 sticks. I have 4 thin garden canes, but you could gather 4 sticks. You could use 4 pencils. You could use basically 4 of anything. Now, you're going to tie these up together. The instructions say you can use tape. Personally, So here are the rules of the game when you're playing Biodiversity Blitz. Each blitz needs to last 20 seconds. After each blitz, you get a choice of if you stick, you twist, and if you stick, you keep your current score. If you twist, you can try again. So here we are outside in my garden, which I'm very fortunate to have some lawn on. My lawn is not the most amazing lawn in terms of what lawns are expected to look like, but it's pretty good for wildlife. So what the challenge asks you to do is it asks you to count the number of different species that you can see in your quadrat. You don't have to know the name of all the species. You just have to count each different one. You can only count each one once. So, for example, in mine, I've got dandelion there, dandelion there, dandelion there. Oh, another one, dandelion there. So I know that's only one species. Might be 4 dandelions, but it's just one species. So we will set up the camera and I'll have a count. So after that blitz, I know that I have 7 different species in my little quadrat. I've definitely got dandelions, daisies, buttercups, and I think there's some lesser hawks bit. If you don't know the names to this, then I suggest you get one of the grown-ups locally to help you, or you have a look online. So that's our first habitat, and the challenge says we can stick or twist, which means we either keep or don't keep our numbers, and go and try a new habitat. In this one, I am going to twist. So this is habitat 2. Habitat 2 is shady grass. We're under this magnolia tree in the corner of my garden. Let's set the camera up. So habitat 2 is quite interesting. It might be shadier, so there's less light, but there's 12 different species living under this tree, at least. I'm going to stick this time, as opposed to twist, and get ready for habitat 3. Here we are in our habitat 3. We are out in the woods, that happen to be quite close to where I live. This is part of my daily exercise, if you're watching this during the coronavirus lockdown. These are Beech Woods, and they're really very special actually, and so this is why it's kind of cool to do our third quadrat here. You've got to note when you're in Beech Woods that these lovely blue flowers, the bluebells, are very rare and endangered, so you've got to work here without squashing any of them, which is what I've done. So the score here is 4. And it's really not much growing here other than the trees. I'm kind of glad that I stuck with my last score in the shady grass. So at the end of my blitzes, here are my scores. Habitat 1, I counted 7 items on the sunny lawn, and I decided to twist, so I didn't have to keep that score. Habitat 2, the shady lawn, I counted 12 items, and I decided to stick. Habitat 3, out in the woods, I counted 4 items, and my grand total is 23. Can you beat that? If you can, have a go at home and put your score in the comments section on this video. Good luck and have a good time completing more of our UMAs.